Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to prove that the product of a rational number and irrational number subtracted from a rational number is irrational. Question is, prove that 4 minus 5 root 7 is irrational. Let us assume that 4 minus 5 root 7 is rational. Then, by the definition of rational numbers, we can write 4 minus 5 root 7 in the form of p by q, a fraction where p and q are integers, q not equal to 0, and p and q are relatively prime. Now let us transpose 5 root 7 from LHS to RHS. The sign before 5 root 7 is minus, so it is a negative value. When transposed, it becomes a positive value. So 4 is equal to p by q plus 5 root 7. We can write this as p by q plus 5 root 7 is equal to 4. Now let us transpose p by q from LHS to RHS. There is no sign before p by q, so it is a positive quantity. When transposed, it becomes a negative quantity. So 5 root 7 will be equal to 4 minus p by q. Now we can write 4 as 4 by 1. So 5 root 7 is equal to 4 by 1 minus p by q. Now let us simplify right hand side of the equation. For this, we need to find the LCM of 1 and q. LCM of 1 and q is q. So write 5 root 7 is equal to a line and q in the denominator. That is LCM in the denominator. Now divide this q with denominator of the first fraction, that is 1. When we divide q with 1, we get q. Multiply this q with 4, that is numerator of the first fraction. Then it will be q into 4. So write q into 4 here. Now there is minus sign between these two fractions. So write minus here. Now divide this q with denominator of the second fraction, that is also q. When we divide q with q, we get 1. Multiply this 1 with p. Then it will be equal to 1 into p. So write 1 into p here. Now 4 into q is 4q. 1 into p is 1p or p. So 5 root 7 will be equal to 4q minus p by q. Now let us transpose 5 from LHS to RHS. Here 5 is the multiplier. When transposed, it becomes divisor. So root 7 is equal to 4q minus p by q into 1 by 5. Now 4q minus p into 1 is 4q minus p. Q into 5 is 5q. So root 7 is equal to 4q minus p by 5q. So we got root 7 in the form of a fraction. This is a contradiction as root 7 is irrational. We know that irrational numbers cannot be expressed in the form of a fraction. Root 7 is irrational, so we cannot write root 7 in the form of a fraction. But by simplifying these equations, we got root 7 in the form of a fraction. This is a contradiction to the definition of irrational numbers. We got this contradiction because we assumed that 4 minus 5 root 7 is rational. So our assumption is false. 4 minus 5 root 7 is irrational.